Came out to an area today to check something out, and we found this pine tree. It was freshly struck by lightning.
Tomorrow.
I got the box on too. Look at that. And these trees, gosh, look at that. They're beautiful. Look at that lightning strike. Golly. That's amazing. And in the meantime, I found a little, I don't know if it's a pond or a dried up pond. I don't know. Isn't it beautiful? I know. It's gorgeous. Look at this side of it. Beautiful. That's what I'm looking at, yeah. That's what I want to go see. This is very talkative here. Man, I'm going to come back and visit this area. Oh my gosh, look at this one too.
It says it has 600 tons.
The forestry?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Fun. Oh my God, look at that thing.
That's beautiful. Look at this thing leaned up against it. Golly, this is beautiful.
Just spirit.
Man, it goes on forever, huh? It was a pond one time. Maybe we'd find some bones if I walked around it. Who's with us around here? This used to have water in it, I think.
Yep, this is definitely a pond.
I was gonna, oh my gosh, look at that tree. Oh, beautiful trees out here. Did it just say? I'm astounded by these beautiful trees.
Drain.
There's drain. Dried up.
Air conditioner.
Well, thanks for letting us check it out.